Can you believe this cake have 136 grams of added sugar? It's a lot of sugar, and as per the recommendation, men should not consume more than 36 grams of sugar and women should not consume more than 25 grams of sugar per day. But if I consume a piece of cake, I'm going to exceed this limit. In my previous video, I have explained what can happen if you eat too much of sugar. What does that mean to our health? This company who made this cake, they really don't care about the health part. They just put sugar to make the cake very tasty, and they are not concerned about your health. So that's why I thought to share this video with you, because this Christmas you are going to make a healthy dessert, healthy cookies, healthy cake instead of this crap. Because this crap, you're going to get sick if you're consuming too much of this type of cake, because this have too much of added sugar. So now question is, what is added sugar? Why added sugar is really bad? This is sugar, brown sugar. It's a very dark brown sugar made from cane. So if you know the process, if you know how this cane, I don't know if you know what is cane. In my place, I used to drink cane juice. This is a 1 kilo of cane sugar. Do you know how much cane is required to make this 1 kilo of cane sugar? 100 kilograms of cane is needed to make this 1 kilo of sugar. So now if you check the nutritional factor in this cane sugar doesn't have much nutritional, and that's why when you consume this sugar, the blood sugar is going to spike like crazy. And when that happens, this is really dangerous, because your organs is not going to handle that spike. Your system is not going to handle that spike. So you will have this crazy spike and crazy crash. And this is very dangerous. This can damage your organs. That's why, if you're consuming added sugar like this, long term, if you're consuming this is going to affect your health bad, very bad. These companies really doesn't care about, these companies, they make the cake because this cane sugar is very cheap to buy. It's very cheap, especially if the sugar is really white, even that is more cheap to buy. They care about, how to make the product. They don't care about the health part, but it is your responsibility to make sure that you are thinking about your health. You are choosing the right sugar when you are making that cake. I was planning to eat this cake, but after checking this sugar content, added sugar content, I'm not going to have this cake. Instead, I may make a cake, right? Homemade cake. I never made any homemade cake, but I found a nice recipe and I'm going to put that in the description. You can find that recipe. Compared to this cane sugar, you can also find sugar from fruits, and this is more healthier option. So if you are getting sugar from a fruit, which is more healthier option, I will explain you why this is a more healthier option. First of all, this sugar in this fruit is not in the pure sugar form. That means your body has to slowly convert that fruit into sugar. So this conversion takes long time. That's why you will not have that sudden spike like when you are consuming this pure sugar. It's a slow spike is going to happen when you are consuming sugar from fruits or this natural source. That's why sugar from fruits is very healthy compared to this. And another thing is, as I said, 1 kilogram of cane sugar is made from 100 kilograms of cane roots. But do you think you can consume 100 kilograms of cane? You cannot, because I was consuming cane juice, and maximum 2 glasses of cane juice I can consume at a time. I cannot consume too much of cane juice at a time because your body cannot handle it too much of cane juice. Think about it. How many bananas you can consume at a time? Can you consume 20 bananas at a time? I don't know. I cannot handle it. I can maximum handle 2 bananas at a time. After 2 bananas, my body is going to say, it's enough. I am done because I got everything what I need. And why this is happening when you are consuming a banana compared to this piece of cake? If I consume piece of cake, I'm going to get more than 36 grams of sugar. But when I consume this piece of cake, my body is not going to tell me that, okay, this is enough. Why? Because this cake doesn't have much nutrition things in it, right? That's why your brain is not going to get signal. Brain is telling that, man, you eat a lot of things, but I am not getting the nutrients what I need. So give more nutrients. I need nutrients. So this cake doesn't have any nutrients. That's why your body is going to tell, yeah, give me more, right? But if you eat a piece of banana, your body is going to get a lot of nutrients. These are the information. These are what you are going to get if you take 100 grams of, if you take a banana, this is what you are going to get. So that's why, when you are making cake, if you can make a cake using fruits instead of this sugar, white sugar or brown sugar, if you can replace that with natural sugar source like, fruits, you're going to make the cake very healthy. You're going to enjoy the cake. You will get the sweet what you need. You also are going to be more healthy. So that's why I am going to make a cake using this banana recipe. You can watch this banana recipe. I found it in the YouTube channel. I don't know this person. When I watched the video, it is very easy to make. Anybody can make this banana cake recipe. It's a gluten free. I don't know if if you are affected with gluten, but some people are really affected with gluten sensitivity. So if you are a gluten sensitive person, this is one of the perfect recipe you can try in this Christmas New Year time, right? So give it a try. And one of the alternative way to make the cake or cookies very healthy is, instead of adding sugar like this, add natural sugar. One of the natural sugar is sugar from fruits. There are also other natural sugar source which I will be adding in my blog post. You can go to my website and find that more information about this other natural healthy alternatives, sugar options. You can find it in my website. But one thing, if you can do for this Christmas, is I recommend you to replace this unhealthy sugar with healthy sugar. We have festival, we have to have that sweet cookies and cakes, but you don't want this Christmas festival or New Year to make our health very bad. And one of the things what we can do is to replace this unhealthy sugar with healthy sugar. I hope you would like this video. I'll talk to you soon with another interesting video. Take care.